Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, when we had those two big days where we had a 700-point rally and then we had an 800-point rally because the Bank of England announced that they had to save the pension funds, that they had to go back to zero rates. Are you kidding me? My argument was it was a hoax because when you go look at the rates between 2015 and 2018, we were raising the rates 2.5 points, 2.25 points. Not what they've been doing now, quarter, 50, 75. We had a severe rate hike between 2015 and 2018 of 250 points, 225 points. We had 16 rate hikes, for God's sakes. So I already knew that that was a hoax, a bunch of BS, because if the pensions were having problems now with these few rates, why didn't they have a problem back when we had 16 rates and we had 200 basis points instead of a quarter 75? Something was going on. And I told my members, I thought what was going on was they're going to try, and the timing was just so incredible, 4 weeks before the election. So I knew what was going on. Bank of England and our Fed, they always go look back in history. They always work together when they have trouble, either one side or the other. And their deal was to try to rally this market going into the election, because it makes no sense that the pension funds now are having trouble, but they didn't have trouble back then when rates were more aggressive. Give me a break. But I also knew the market. I told my gang members, look, all this is a snapback. And snapbacks are a great opportunity for short covering. And when they short cover, that's what creates the snapback, okay? Let me show you here on my chart. This is a downtrend. This is the S&P. That's the downtrend. The best that this can do is get up to the downtrend. It's not going to go any further than that. Why? Because, first of all, look at the volume. We've had more sellers than buyers. Look over here in this chart. Same situation. We've had more people selling than buying. We don't have enough buyers. If I take this guy right here, see this group right here? Now take this group right here. These were buyers because they dropped the rates from 285 basis points to 45. We got that big tech rally, but then it stopped. And look at the volume here. There's hardly any volume. Volume is energy. Volume is energy, and it's not there. So all that's going on right now is a snapback. We're going to snap back to this trend right here, right? And then it's over. We're going to continue our way back down because Biden is not going to go back and pivot. If he pivot back, okay, and told Powell, we got to pivot this market back, are you kidding me? With the inflation we have right now, we'd go into a depression. So all the big boys, the big hedge funds, the big institutions, they're taking an opportunity to sell into this gap up to get more cash so they can trade even more because they know it's going to come back down. This is a short covering rally, and the big boys are selling into it to get more cash to operate with. Please don't fall for this. I'll see you on the chart, philsgang.com. Sign up free for 10 days. See you on the charts.